Hey, okay, so I got an Evva EPS. There is the bit in. So I've got a high 5 and 1, 2, high 3. Hopefully that's clear enough. There we go, that's a bit clearer. And interestingly, on the other side we've got some cuts. So we've got 2 here and 3 here. So there is some sort of sidebar inside. It's completely passive. Nothing going on. There we go. Just to show it all works. And locked up. Nice key. I like keys. That was a good one. Right, I'm going to try. It's like a gem, sparrow's gem, I suppose. That sort of shape. It's a little bit thinner than a normal gem. Right, I'm going to go to the back. This is full of spools. And lots of counter rotation. You'd think that would make life easy or easier. It doesn't at all. Okay. A couple stuck here in the middle somewhere. There we go. That's better. Okay, pin 1 that was follows full set. Okay, lots of counter rotation. Hopefully you can sort of see my finger in the background. Watch the tension wrench moving around as I try and set these pins. Okay, that's pin 4. That was 5. Sorry if the camera's bouncing a bit. This isn't really a delicate process with this lock. It's a bit more of a... got to manhandle it, yet finesse it. If that makes sense. Okay, so a lot less counter rotation going on now. A lot less. I'm suggesting that there's 1, maybe 2 lurking about of this 6-pinner. Okay, that was pin 6. I lost the full set. As I believe I'm getting that from number 1 and 2. No, I'm still not getting it. Oh, that's a load of drops there. Okay, full set back. Counter rotation on 3. That was 4. That was 2. Lost the full set. Got it back on 1. Okay, that was pin 3. Got the full set back on 1. That was pin 5. Okay, pin 3, back on 1, pin 4, it's an awkward little keyway. I haven't shown you the keyway, but it's jiggity jaggedy. Typical sort of Evva. So I lost the full set, got it back. Number 3 again. Full set back on 1. Get 1 in and 2 drop out. Okay, that was 4. 2. Okay, 3 again. 5. Little click on 6. Got you, bugger. Nice, okay. We're on 6 minutes. That could be worse, I suppose. Okay, let's get the most useless, useful clip out. Let's see what we can do with this. So I don't know what's going to happen with this sidebar. I suppose like that. So look. Okay. Right, so there's the sidebar, right? Have a look at that in a second. So 6. Okay, so they're all standard steels. And although that's a beautiful core, very nicely machined, there's nothing in the plug there. And so there's the 2 cut and the 3 cut that goes in the side of the key. So yeah, let's have a little gander in the Bible. See what we got. Nice shiny standard. Oh, another standard. I suggest the rest are all going to be these nice long spools. It appears so. These are the troublesome things. Wow. Just when you think spools are easy. Well machined lock, again, I've said this before with Evas. I mean, you know, the quality is there, it speaks for itself. That's why they're such fun locks to pick, hard to get into as well. So there we go, lovely steel pins down the bottom here, but all standard. And then up the top, 2 lovely standard pins, and then these beautiful long spools. And just to show you the sidebar again, and that's where it goes into in the plug there, but obviously that way around. Okay, right, got it under 10 minutes. Happy with that. That's brilliant. Thank you ever so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, take it easy. Catch you all soon. Be good.